And we're back for another video. I wanted to try something new. I want to test the new product. So, brakes are breaking, tires are dirty. I actually took the car through a car wash like 3 days ago, and the brakes came out exactly the same, or the tires, sorry, the rims. You can even see my finger mark right there. They came out exactly like they went in. So even though you pay for the car wash as like rim tire cleaner, it didn't do much. So we got this wheel and tire cleaner from Adams Polishes. Apparently it's there's no acid in it, I think, pretty sure. But car wash is right there. I always use the touch free. I never use soft touch because you don't want to destroy your paint. But we're gonna go ahead and spray this on. Now it says wheel and tire cleaner, and I don't know if the camera's picking this up. It should, but around all the spokes is actually where there's a lot of dirt on the tire. So we're just gonna go ahead and hit the entire rim with it, and we're gonna hit the tire with it and give her a nice scrub. I got this nice, it's very soft brush. I'm just gonna hit it all. These rims are gonna have to get refinished, so I'm not like, oh, I don't want to scratch them or anything like that. They got to get refinished, so I don't really care. But we're just gonna go ahead, and I wonder if this is like color changing or anything. Oh, different sizes. Okay. So my key keeps unlocking the car. Anyway. So we're just gonna go ahead and just liberally spray this on between the spokes. And we're gonna see if it actually gets it off. I can't imagine the people with like the BMW spokes. If you have a BMW, you know BMWs, you know what I mean. They're the spokes that have like a million like little triangles or designs in them. You can already tell it's turning brown where it's meeting the tire. So we're gonna start off right here. I'm gonna give it a bit of a scrub. Yeah, look at that, it's already turning brown. And we're gonna try to give these rims a little bit of a clean. Ooh, this brush is nice. It gets like really deep in there. Nice. So I'm gonna give this a scrub down. I'm gonna hit all 4 rims, and then we're gonna go through the car wash and see just how much of it cleans. But as you guys can see, it's already turning, at least where it's meeting the sidewall of the tire, it's turning brown. So it's pulling the dirt, it's lifting the dirt. So I'm gonna spray her down, scrub her down, go through a car wash and see how well this does. So we cleaned all the rims. We're here at Quick Trip. We're gonna hit the Elite, which gives you the wheel cleaner. And we're gonna do the touch free. Just gonna go through, we're gonna fold down our mirrors. We're gonna go to our camera button. We're gonna click here. Oh, dumb. We're gonna go here. We're gonna go here. We're gonna go car wash mode. I like this because it shows you where the tires are gonna go. We're gonna slowly pull in because it's gonna do the underbody. There we go. It stayed wet as I sprayed it on the tires, which is good. Didn't dry too fast. It doesn't turn colors like if you use the I think Chemical Guys Diablo, it turns purplish. This one doesn't. It turns brown from the dirt, but it doesn't turn purple. But we're gonna go through this car wash, and yeah, it's gonna be a quick little wash, and we'll see what tires and rims look like. And just like that, car wash is done. She needs an actual car wash, but oh my. Oh, they look so much better. They're actually jet black now. Tires are cleaner. You can see the difference right on the edge right there. So the tires have been cleaned. Rims are cleaner. You can see they are dirtier back there. I didn't scrub it like well enough. I'm gonna actually take it in to get hand washed and hand detailed, interior and exterior. So I'm not too worried about it. I just needed a quick car wash before I go meet somebody. But yeah, otherwise it's clean. They are a lot darker. I hope the camera's picking it up. I mean, the car looks so good when it's clean. Got a little bit of dirt still there, just a leaf. Again, coming around the back. Those rims are good too. Coming around this side. Same thing. You can tell the tires where they're clean versus the actual rim. I know the rims are curbed to no tomorrow, but they'll get done. They'll get finished. They'll get finished. Same thing over here. Rims are jet black. It looks so much better when it's cleaner because it actually like all sits, looks flush with the black trim, the black shadow line roof, the black or tinted windows, black window trim, black grille. But yeah, not too bad. No, I'm pretty sure I sprayed an absolute fuck ton. Excuse my language, because I ended up only with like a third of the bottle left. So I'm pretty sure I used way too much, but I got good results. I'm happy with the results. The only thing is, like, I kind of wish it did turn purple. It's kind of nice seeing it look like it's doing something. But we got to get going. Thank you guys for tuning in.